For applications where there's no floor space available and where a permanent cooling solution is needed, we also offer a complete line of ceiling mount units, including both air-cooled and water-cooled models. Unlike split systems, MovinCool ceiling mount spot air conditioners are self-contained, eliminating the need to run refrigerant lines to an outdoor compressor. The compact units are designed to fit into the crawl space above a drop ceiling. Installation is simple and straightforward. First, threaded rods and vibration isolators are installed into the ceiling, and the unit is lifted into place and mounted. Next, the unit is connected to an electrical circuit. Intake and exhaust ducting is attached. The grill is put into place, and the unit's built-in condensate pump is connected to any nearby drain. A programmable wall-mounted controller offers advanced communications, monitoring and self-diagnosis capabilities. MovinCool ceiling mount spot air conditioners have a higher sensible cooling capacity than many split systems, so they're ideal for IT equipment. They also have a significantly lower overall cost than other ceiling mount packaged air conditioners. For more information on MovinCool's line of ceiling mount units, visit movincool.com/CM series.